Hey guys, I'm Mateo with WTI and I want to tell you about this water bottle pump dispenser by GoodGrace. I simply just place the straw inside of the bottle and the pump just sits in place on the neck of the jug or the bottle. When I need to refill my water bottle for the day, I simply just press the button and the pump does its job. As simple as that. Super easy, no hassle of having to change a jug or spilling water everywhere. The straw is long enough that it sits perfectly at the bottom of the bottle, making it easy to get every last drop of water out of there. It's very useful because it is small and light, so it makes it very portable. I can take it with me when I'm traveling. I appreciate that it's not corded. I simply just plug it in to charge and it will be good to go for a week or two depending on how much I use it. And that is my point of view.